creation of company and creation of company code, assign company code to company, and creation of business area, creation consultation of business area, assign business area to consolidation of business area, and define functional area, and maintain financial management area, and assign company code to financial management area, and define credit control area, and assign company code to credit control area. So our first content is creation of company. So what is company? Company is a organization unit where individual financial statement can be drawn accordance with appropriate commercial and legal requirement. In every country, they have some particular rules and regulation to create a company, or on government's basis, the company will be run. So for that, we have to create that particular. We have to prepare profit and loss and balance sheet for the particular company that will be on commercial and legal requirement as per the country. So company has several types of local currencies where we can derive separate financial statement, that is profit and loss and balance sheet. So in SAP FI, a company has several type company code, but it acts as single unit for which financial statements are available. In our company, in our organization, we may have several company codes, but it will be act as a single unit. So whatever there are so many codes in our company, but it will be act as single unit. For that, we will prepare single statement like balance sheet. By seeing balance sheet, whole company status will be shown. All company codes within company must use same transactional chart of account and the same fiscal year breakdown. Whatever the company codes are there, that will be, we have to use the same transaction chart of accounts and fiscal year breakdown. So the company code currencies can be different. For example, if you establish company in India and we have 3-4 company codes, 2 company codes in India and 2 company codes in abroad. So according to situation or in abroad, we can maintain a different currency. A company has one local currency which transaction figures are recorded. So we will go to the SAP for creation of company. We can go to the menu path, or we can directly enter the transaction code also. I am giving here my username, password. So we can go through the path. Type here SPRO, SAP reference IMG, and here we are configuring interface structure. So I am selecting here interface structure, definition. So here financial accounting, and here it is a defined company. So execute it. So here we can copy the company or we can enter the new company also. I am creating new company. So here company name you can give 6 digit or 3 or 4. It will be text or numerical code also. I am creating here AKK company, AKK private limited. Name of company too also you can go AKK private limited. Street, here pin code you can give which location your company is establishing. So you can give that pin code, and city is Hyderabad. Creating my company Hyderabad, that's why I'm entering Hyderabad. Country is India, IN. Language key you can select like English, so here you can enter. Currency, in which country you are creating company, that currency you can select. I am creating in India, so I am selecting INR. So now the company is created, click on save. I think this company already exists. Give different name. So here after creation of company, here you are getting the transport request. This is a very important. Whatever the settings or data settings you are doing, it will be stored in the transport request only. If you forget this transport request, you can't do anything. Your data will be lost. So here we have to, first time we are creating company, so we can create our new transport request. So I am creating new request here. APP. You can give here description as company creation. APP Private Limited, save. So this is my transport request. So in this company I am saving this transport request. So APP Private Limited, save. So you may get a doubt that what is transport request. So let me define. Let me explain what is transport request. Transport request, it is a vehicle which is used to carry the data from one server to another server. Okay. For example, we need to create a company. We have already created a company. So there are two types of transport requests are available as follows. One is a customizing request prepared by this SAP consultant, and another one is workbench request. It is prepared by technical consultant like ABAPer. If you are functional consultant, then settings will be saved in the customizing request. Whatever the SAP consultant uh, uh, creating settings or doing customizing, everything will be stored in the this customizing request only. And if you are a technical consultant, then settings will be saved in the workbench request. So each transport request will have two status. One is modifiable, you can modify, and released. So let me explain practically what is transport request. For creating transport request, we can go through the SAP Easy Access screen also. Here we can go through the tools, customizing, IMG, and SC10 we can select here transport request. So we can click on this. Here we can see the transport request. Or else you can enter SC10 T code. So same screen will be visible. So here customizing request, workbench request are there na. So modify, release. So how it works, whatever the settings you have done, how data will be moved to the production server to quality server. So let me explain you. So this is the transport request screen. So here we have to select customize. We have done customizing request, right? So we have to select display. I want to modify it from production server to quality server. So I am selecting here modification. So display. So for example, just now I have created APP Private Limited, right? So this is the transport request. This is the parent request. This is a child request, sub request, sub task. So here the whatever the company we have created, that will be here. We can see a table level also. So this is a table. So whatever we have created here, it is a APP company. It will be displayed here. So I want to move this data APP from production server to quality server. So how we can do? Let me do it. So first of all, to transport data from production server to quality server, first of all you have to do here is, first you have to select this child transport request here, this one. Not this is the main parent transport request. This is sub task, sub request. So first you have to select here and we have to go here vehicle. So release directly. So you have to press it. So it has been released. Here we can get the task also, request number also we have get here. So after releasing it, you can get here tick mark also. It is been released. So next one is we have to release parent request also. So here we have to select it and we have to release directly. So it is also released, but it is a modifiable data, right? So here in modification you cannot see that whatever we have created company, you can see here APP private limited is not there. So I have released modified and released it. So go back. So here in customize request, I have modified it. So I can see the data in released. So select released and display. So just now I have released it. So you can see this data here in released screen. So after releasing it, just you can here. This is for example, this is a development server. From development server, I want to move the data from quality server. So from quality to production. So once I move data from development to quality, so I have released it. So once you release it, you have to send a mail to the basis team that I have released transport request and so you have to transport from development to move the data from development to quality server. So once you release from modified status to go to the release status. So now you can send mail to the basis team saying I have released particular transport request. Please move data from development to quality. Likewise, you can know what is the transport actually. You may get an idea. Next, creation of company code. It is a mandatory in SAP. So company code is organization unit for which a complete self-contained set of accounts can be drawn up for the purpose of external reporting. Here, creation of company is mandatory in company, and it will be useful for the external reporting purpose. Like whatever the status of company will be there, we have to report to the external users like stakeholders, equity holders, and partners of the business. You have to show the report to them. The process of external reporting involves regarding all relevant transactions and generating all supporting documents for financial statements such as balance sheet and profit and loss account. We have to record all the relevant transactions related to company which are in the form of mandate terms and generate all supporting documents here. We have to generate all supporting document so that we can prepare balance sheet and profit and loss account, and balance sheet for the company status purpose. In SAP FI, company can comprise of different type code. However, it would be act as a single unit for which financial statements are available. And every country must have some requirement for external reporting purpose. Therefore, it is required to create or define a company code for different countries and assigning them to respective company code for consolidation purpose. Whatever company codes you have created, you should assign you should assign to the company ID so that the single statement will be shown. So in single statement we can know the status of all company codes here. This enables you to manage the accounts from more than one independent company at the same time. However, you need to set up at least one company code. Navigation path, SPRO, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, and we have to create a company. If you use code OX02. We can go through the SPRO path. SAP reference, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting. Here we can select it, creation of company. So here we can create a company code. I am selecting new entry here. Here you can give company code like text or numerical number, 4-digit number. I am giving here 9022. It's my company code. Company name is APP Private Limited. Is Hyderabad. Country India. So IN. Currency is INR. Language is English. So save. Here we have to fill all the details regarding company. Company APP Private Limited. Name also you can give APP Private Limited. Street. Sorry. Street I can give. Number. Here in real time you have to enter all the data related to company. City Hyderabad. Yeah. And region here, in which state or wherever you are creating company, you have to give that state code. Here I am creating in Telangana, that's why I am selecting Telangana. The region code is 36. Postbox, postal code also I can give same. If required data, you can enter here telephone number, mobile number, fax, email ID, telephone, etc. So save. So here the data is moved to quality server, so it cannot, I can create new one. Okay, the company code is created. So next one, assign company code to company. Before assigning company code to company, need to configure company and company code. We have already created both, and after creation of company code, then we would have to assign company code to company, so that integration between company code and company is established through this segment. This is important step. We have to assign company code to company, so we can assign. We can go through the key code. 16. Here go to the position to know the company whatever you have created. Company code 9022. So our company is APP Private Limited here, and we have to select it and save. So company code is linked to our company. Whatever data you are entering here, you must enter in the Excel sheet so that it will be useful for the future reference. Company name is APP Private Limited. Code is 9022. It is also created. Assignment also done. Next one is creation of business area. It is optional. Depends upon company requirement. We can create a business area. And we can create business area at the time of in between the accounting period also. We can create business area at any time.
నువ్వు హెల్త్ బాగాలేకుండా ఇంత ఇబ్బంది పెడుతున్నావు చూడు నాకు.
Hello, can someone mute that? Business area in SAP is an organization unit within accounting that can be classified as geographical wise or product wise as per the requirement of the organization. We can create business area like geographical wise or product wise. Product wise means sales department, production department, manufacturing department. Like geographical wise means area wise, like Hyderabad, Chennai, Delhi. Under business area, you generate financial statement of balance sheet and profit and loss account for internal reporting. Here we will use this balance sheet and profit and loss account for the purpose of internal reporting, the status of that particular area, how it is going to run, and we have to use it for internal reporting purpose. You can maintain number of business area in SAP as per company requirement. Okay, you can maintain any number of business areas. Business area is there no requirement to assign to company code in order to post items in business area. You will have to enter business area when you enter the business transactions. While entering transaction, we can select the business area also. New business area can be created anytime. Enterprise structure in MIG. So purpose. Business area are used to differentiate transaction that come from different lines of business in company. So like as I told you, product wise or branches. Branches mean geographical wise. We can create a business area. The map is the company code 1 and company code 2. Here business area 1, business area 2 and business area 3. You can create a business area. For creating business area, the T code is OX03. OX03. Here we can select new entries. For business area also you can give a separate code, 4-digit number. I will give 9023. Here business area for Chennai for APP 9024, business area 2. It is for Hyderabad. APP 9025. Here I am creating 3 business areas and save. the business areas are created. So next one is, here I can enter the data. Chennai. So 9023, 9024, 9025. So it is also done. Next one is creation of consolidation of business area. Consolidation of business area specifies the central business segments within a company. Within company, whatever the business area we are creating, it will be consolidated. Means it will be, we are reporting it one place. Here central business segments. If you maintain consolidation business area in SAP, it is mandatory to assign business area to consolidation of business area. Whatever the business area we have created, we have to assign to the consolidation of business area, so that the link between the business area plays at one place. So in other words, consolidation business area is a business segments within a company. Consolidation business area is nothing but regional wise accounting. Place wise or area wise, you can take a report. The definition predefined the parent group. The consolidation nothing but all business area comes under the consolidation. We can see all the reports at consolidation level. We can create consolidation of business area. For creating consolidation of business area, the T code is OBBO. Here again, you can give 4-digit number. You can give anything like text or numerical number for creating 4-digit number. Business area for APP. So save. Business area also created. Consolidation of business area 9026. After creation of business area and consolidation of business area, we have to assign it to the whatever the business areas are there, we have to consolidate it. So the consolidation of business area or the business area used centrally in the corporate group. The definition predefines the group parent. All reporting system allocate your business area used locally to the consolidation of business areas. Here we can assign business area to consolidation of business area. For assigning, you can go through the path, or the T code is OBB6. Here we have to go to the position to know our business areas. Here have created 3 business areas 9023, 9024, 9035. Here we have to assign it. 9026 is our consolidation of business area. Sorry. think it was not saved. We'll create again. Sorry. Oh.
OCC was.
I have created in
OCC.
the yes,
OCC.
yes. OCC 1. So here these was the business areas we have created. So this is a consolidation of business area. We are assigning here to all business areas. So save. The assignment of business area to consolidation of business area done. Next one is define functional area. In SAP, functional area is an organizational unit that sorts operating expenses incurred based on activities. Here, functional area and organization unit in accounting that classifies the expenses of an organization by function wise. Here, whatever the areas are there, like sales department, production department, the expenses will be classified by function wise, area wise, like administration and management, manufacturing, production, finance, marketing and sales, sales and distribution, research and development, etc. So I am creating now functional area. I'm going through path SPRO, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting. Here it is a define functional area. So sometimes it will not work out. I'm going through T code. Here you can give functional area any digit, 4 digit, and press on create. Creating here sales department. Valid from business establishment. You can give date here. Today's date is 07/04/2022 to 06/04/2025. And save. Here functional area has been created. Maintain financial management area. SAP Financial Management Area or SAP FM area is one of the most important organization unit which is used for budget or funds management in SAP. Whatever the functional areas are there, to manage planning and budgeting purpose, we will use this financial management area. So for example, planning. The financial management project, how much money the company will need to order to the maintain positive cash flow, allocate fund flow to the grow or add new products or services, and cope with the unexpected events and share the information with business colleagues. So whatever the budget or planning we are creating for particular areas, so here we have to plan according to whatever the products or services we have to add or remove. According to that we can plan here. And budgeting, we have to create budget also for the particular area wise, like the financial manager allocate the company's available funds to meet costs such as mortgage or rent, salaries, raw materials, employees, and other obligations. Ideally, there will be some left to put aside for emergencies and to fund new business opportunities. If you want to, this budget will be created for purpose of the whatever the expenses incurred in the company like salaries, raw materials, and employees, and we have to put some budget for the emergency purpose also, or we can create new business area or whatever the activities will be going in the business. So we can create financial management area. T code is OF01. OF01. Can go through the path. Enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting. Here, financial management area. Here I am creating new one. 9029. My financial management area code. Financial management area for APP, my company. So here currency, INR. I'm creating business financial area in our India, so I am selecting Indian currency and save. So financial management area also created. So we have to assign financial management area to company code to financial management area. The link between financial management area to company. In this activity, you have to assign company code to financial management area in SAP. The link between financial management area and company code is established through only assignment of company code to financial management area in SAP. So we have to assign, we have to link between the company code to financial management area. RO, enterprise structure, assignment, financial accounting, assign company code to financial management area. Go to the position. Our company code is 9022. So here it is. This is our financial management area. Here we can give text like financial management area for APP company and save. Next one is define credit control area. A credit control area is an organization unit for specifying and controlling customer credit limits. A credit control area can include one or more company codes. It is not possible to divide a company code into several credit control areas. Here, it is organization is we are giving credit control to the particular customer, depends upon his profile. So how much credit is given to that customer. Here, one credit control area is assigned to one company, but for different for one company we cannot for one company code we cannot give two or three credit control areas, but we can assign this credit control area to two or more companies. Credit control is business process that promotes the selling of goods or services by expanding credit to customers, covering such items credit period, cash discount, payment terms, and credit standards, and debit collection policy. Example, your customer take longer than your payment terms stipulate to pay your invoices, you will need to chase them up for payment. For example, by phoning them to remind them but about invoice, and by sending them an email reminder. It will be done in dunning. So we can create a credit control area. T code is OB45. OB45. Here I am selecting new entries 030. This part is done by the ST people. So here I am giving credit limit. So here we can select all company code also. We have option here. Save. So credit control area is created. And then we have to assign credit control area to company code. Company code to credit control area. One credit control area can be assigned to one or more company codes, but one company code is applicable to use only one credit control area in the SAP system. In this activity, you assign company code to credit control area in SAP. The link between company code and credit control area is established through this assignment of company code to credit control area in SAP. It is one to many relationship. One company code can have many sales organizations, and reverse is not possible. So we have to assign company code to credit control area. OB38 T code is. And go to the position, company code. Here it is our company. So credit control area is I have created 9030. Just save it. The assignment done. Whatever data you are creating, you can maintain an Excel sheet also for the future reference purpose. You are also done. Assignment also done. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity. Thanks one and all. Now you have to give feedback to me where I have to improve.
Thank you very much, Yadagiri Garu. It is so informative and effective presentation. It was
Thank you so much.
absolutely it is superb presentation today.
Thank you so much, madam.
This is the session today, guys. Thank you for your patience. We will meet tomorrow. Tomorrow timings is as usual timings. Tomorrow presentation, sorry, interaction group will be start at 8:45 p.m. Note this. Thank you.
Okay, madam. Thank you. Hi guys, can anyone tell me my mistakes so that I can rectify in next presentation? Vivek, Rajkumar,
Yeah, that is good, bro.
yeah, wherever I am lacking, next time I don't want to repeat it. So anything is there, you can give a feedback. It will be helpful for me.
Yeah, everything is good.
Okay, bro. Thank you so much. Have a
Thank
great
you.
day. Good night, ma'am.
Good night.